Meaning of hydraulic.
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 Hydraulic. The term hydraulic refers to any technology or system that makes use of fluid, especially water or oil, to transfer energy or force from one point to another. Hydraulic systems are commonly used in various industries, including automotive, construction, and aerospace. Such systems utilize the principles of fluid mechanics to generate and control power, making them highly efficient and reliable. In general, hydraulic systems are characterized by their ability to exert a large amount of force with relatively small input, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications such as excavators, cranes, and hydraulic presses.